How to fix memory underscore corruption BSOD error in Windows 11. 1. Restart your system. 2. Check for Windows Update. 3. Run Program Compatibility Troubleshooter. 4. Run Windows Memory Diagnostic. 5. Scan disk for error. 6. Run SFC and DISM as admin. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scanhealthism/online/cleanupimage/restore health 7. Scan for potential malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 8. Uninstall the latest updates. 9. Update drivers using the recommended Avast Driver Updater in this video guide.